Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share with you my secret weapon for weight loss. Today we're going to explore how to overcome those pesky weight loss challenges using water and detox teas. Trust me, it's super easy and so good for you. We're going to check this out in a fun, hyper-realistic Disney Pixar style animation. So grab your water bottle and let's get started on this amazing journey together. Okay, let's get into it. You know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to lose weight, right? Like, you're doing everything you're supposed to, but the scale just won't budge. It's actually super common. People struggle with cravings that feel impossible to ignore, a metabolism that seems to be on permanent vacation, and motivation that disappears faster than a plate of cookies. But listen up, hydration is your new best friend. Drinking enough water is like the easiest hack ever. It can help curb your appetite so you're not constantly thinking about food. Plus, it gives your metabolism a little kick in the pants. Oh my gosh, I can't stress enough how important this is. Now let's spill the tea about, well, tea. Detox teas are basically these amazing drinks that can support your body while you're fasting. They include ingredients like ginger, turmeric, dandelion, licorice root, among others. They're super popular right now, and for good reason. These teas are, a spa day for your insides, helping to cleanse and refresh your system. They are often marketed to cleanse the body, flush out toxins, and improve overall well-being. When you're fasting, having a cup of detox tea can be such a comfort. It's like giving your body a little hug from the inside out. Plus, many of these teas have ingredients that can help boost your metabolism even more. It's like a double whammy of goodness for your weight loss journey. All right, now let's talk about the amazing benefits. First off, staying hydrated with water and detox teas can seriously rev up your metabolism. It's like turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. Secondly, these drinks are total game changers when it comes to reducing appetite and cravings. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to stick to your fasting schedule. And the third benefit? Oh my gosh! It's so good for your digestion and helps your body get rid of toxins. It's like a total reset button for your system. Now, here's a pro tip. When you're fasting, make sure you're not adding any sweeteners to your tea that might break your fast. And remember, moderation is key. Don't go overboard. Your body will thank you. And there you have it. Hydration and detox teas can be your secret weapons in overcoming those weight loss challenges. Remember, it's all about consistency and finding what works for you. I believe in you. Give these tips a try and see how they work for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy living advice. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep sipping that tea.